There are warnings that homelessness services in Wales are facing a potential crisis due to a shortfall in funding. Cymorth Cymru, which represents homelessness charities, says more government support is needed. It's to cope with increased rent and energy bills. The Welsh Government says it's facing a perfect storm of financial pressures. Ben Price reports.
There are around 9,000 people in temporary accommodation in Wales, the highest number there's ever been. More than 2,500 of them are children. Many will be supported by charities or local authorities, and a big chunk of money for this provision comes from the Welsh Government's Housing Support Grant. After the Welsh Government decided not to increase the grant this year, there are serious concerns that services and jobs might have to be cut. Cymorth Cymru says homelessness services should be prioritised as they try to cope with huge financial demands. The Welsh Government says it's working hard to protect frontline services.